Hi guys, today I will explain how to create a nest clip in Adobe Premiere Pro. This process is simple and easy. The first thing is, open the Adobe and open a project in which you want to create nest clip. And as you can see, I already do all these things. Let me zoom in a bit so you can see. I have a lot of clips and I'll select these two. The only thing I have to do is I will select both and do a right click. And here you can see the option nest. Just click on it. You can also give a specific name to your clip, but I will not do it. So that's why I will click on the option, OK. And you can see my two clips have been most together. You can nest all the clips. And how can you do? Let me show you. I will zoom out a bit so you can see all the clips. Now select all the clips with the help of your mouse. Do a right click again, and click on the option next and select OK. And you can see all the clips have been merged. And if you want to edit a clip in the nest, then double-click here. And as you can see, you will get all the clips separately. Now let me go back. And last thing is, you can also merge the voiceover as well as sound. But I will not do it. And it was the way by which you can create a nest clip in Adobe.